year at Google. And I think, look, the most important part to get from this, I guess, is the fact that there's a lot of interest in the return to office and the future of collaboration as we evolve into what's next, in terms of how do we communicate and collaborate at work and in other facets of our lives. It's super, super important for Google to continue to lead the way there. And it also, in a way, reflects our own priorities. We're a very large company that has innovated in its own practices, and Google Workspace plays a critical part in making Google do, the kind of innovative work that it does across so many areas. So I guess it's a reflection of the importance of this space in general for the world and for the company.
So what does that mean as far as your enterprise cloud business, right? Which is what the target is, which has grown tremendously, and how you envision companies going back to work and using this product?
Well, sure. Look, we've, for the longest time, been very active in helping drive the digital transformation and the transformation of the workplace. Even before the pandemic, most companies, millions of companies around the world have chosen Google Workspace to drive a different approach to communication and collaboration amongst their employees, reaching all the way out to like their frontline workers and people that are normally not included in the discussion about, your typical collaboration and the things that happen inside of the office. And so, the importance of this as an emerging topic for industries around the world and the growth that it represents to Google and Google Cloud is obviously part of our business. But again, it's also important to realize that these same products, and part of what we announced today, is that we're actually providing these products to everyone, right? So there's, Google Workspace overall has over 3 billion users, and that's an important component to this, is these are products that are familiar, used by people in their everyday lives, and they have an important transformative role to play inside of the workspace, in particular, as we look to companies now coming back into the office in different ways and in different approaches around the world.
So talk to us about what was unique and new today. I believe smart chips and smart canvas were parts of it. What exactly are those aspects?
Sure. So, Google pioneered this idea that digital documents aren't just like digital pieces of paper, right? All the way back to 15 years ago now, we introduced Google Docs as an inherently collaborative, real-time editing surface powered